Namaskara friends, welcome back to Dakshin Rambo. Today we are going to visit a very beautiful village, Kokkare Bellur in Karnataka, which is a hometown of thousands of migratory birds and a wonderful example of human and nature living together. So let's come with me to explore the very beautiful place.
Located in Manda district of Karnataka, Kokkare Bellur is a renowned community-driven conservation area, famous for hosting vulnerable spot-billed pelicans and painted stork that nest directly on trees within the village.
ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಅಣ್ಣ.
Paddy cultivation is a major agricultural activity in Manda district of Karnataka, with over 1 lakh hectares dedicated to crops including paddy, sugarcane and ragi. This region, known as the sugar bowl of Karnataka, which relies heavily on the Kaveri river for irrigation. Mandya is also a hotspot for preserving traditional rice varieties led by farmer Said Ghani Khan, who conserves over 1,350 types at the Rice Diversity Center in Kirgaulu.
So guys, finally we have reached in Kokkare Bellur, a very unique bird sanctuary in Karnataka. Actually, Kokkare means bird in Kannada.
Pelican and pented storks are found in large number in Kokkare Bellur, often nesting on top of tamarind and mango trees in the village. About 200 other bird species are also reportedly spotted in Kokkare Bellur. Kokkare Bellur Community Reserves does not have any definitive boundary or entry points. There are no timing restrictions either.
सर बस 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 ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಕಂಟ್ರಿಯಿಂದ ಬರುತ್ತಮ್ಮ ಇದು
ಅದು ಕನ್ನಂಬಾಡಿ ಕಟ್ಟೆ ಅಂತಲೂ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಇದೇ ಇಡ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ?
ಇದೇ ಊರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋದಲ್ವಾ? ಅದು ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಇದೇ ಊರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಿರೋದು?
ಅದು ನಮ್ಮ ತಾತ ಕಾಲಿಂದಲೇ, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ನಮ್ಮ ಸೊಸೆರು.
So just little while earlier we were talking to that local lady and asked her whether the birds come to the nearby villages or not. Then she informed us that only in these villages the birds come, and government is providing per tree 20,000 for a year. Generally the bird sanctuary are jungle places, isolated places. This is the very unique bird sanctuary which is present at the village level, where you can see the human and bird relationship.
Pelicans are massive water birds known for their long beaks and expandable gular pouches used for scooping fish reaching up to 180 cm in length, 3 meter wingspans, and almost 13 kg in weight. Pelicans are highly social, living in coastal or inland waters and hunting cooperatively. The Dalmatian and great white pelicans are among the largest flying birds.
ಬಿದ್ದಿರೋ ಪಕ್ಷಿಗಳನ್ನ ಮರಿಗಳನ್ನ ತಂದು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರಲ್ವಾ?
ನೀರು ಹಾಕಿ ಅವು ಕಾಪಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ಅದು ಕಾಪಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸರಿ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಹೋಗ್ತೇವಲ್ಲ
ಮುಂದೆ ಇದವರ that local uncle informed us that this is the bird care center. Some birds falls from the trees and gets injured, so those injured birds are taken here, and they takes care of these birds and are made, and the injured birds are kept here, and all the care has been taken here, and after getting recovered all these birds then relieved to the jungle.
ಮರಿಗಳು ಮರಿಗಳು ಯಾವ ಮರಿ ಇವು ನೋಡಿ ಹೆಂಗ ಗೊಂಬೆ ಇದ್ದಂಗೆ
Beautiful bullock cut paintings and art in Karnataka reflect rural life, often featuring vibrant, detailed depictions of decorated bulls and carts on canvas, wood inlay, or walls. So guys, ending our vlog here. I hope you have enjoyed this video too. So let's visit in next vlog. Please like, share and subscribe to Dakshin Rambler.